This is video 23 of 24, Labeling Thoughts Guided Meditation Practice. And to begin, we'll breathe deeply, stretching the muscles in the shoulders and the neck, so that we can settle into our seated posture and meditate with greater ease. So inhale deeply, tensing the muscles. Exhale and relax. And now we'll perform 3 hand mudras to re-energize the body and inspire a sense of joy, peace, and trust in the process. Inhale, relaxed. Exhale, tensing the muscles in the arms. Inhale, relaxed. Exhale, moving your elbows as close to your torso as possible, stretching the muscles in the shoulders. Inhale, relaxed. Exhale, tensing the muscles in the arms. Allow your arms to fall into a comfortable position on your legs, sitting upright with your feet flat on the ground, shoulders back, chin parallel to the floor, spine erect. Close your eyes. Allow your inner gaze to settle on that point in the center of your forehead, your mind's eye. And sit still, abiding in the silence. Continuing to look deep into your mind's eye. Notice any time a thought, an idea, or a story of any kind arise in your mental field. Simply say, thinking, and allow the thought to disappear. Continue in this way for a few moments, labeling each thought by mentally saying, thinking. It is the natural tendency of the mind to think. And as we master the mind, we begin to appreciate and to understand our relationship to it. We are forever in the present moment, witnessing and observing the eternal now. Label each mental movement as thinking and let it go. As you continue with this process, you can identify each mental movement. Decide if it's based in the past or in the future, whether it's an attachment or an aversion, and then let the thought go. Apply one label to each movement as it arises and let it go. Continue in this way with concentrated focus, continuously returning your attention to your own inner silence.